Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, your go-to place for real, unfiltered reviews of the most jaw-dropping machines on the road. And today, we're checking out a motorhome that redefines the term luxury travel. Say hello to the 2025 Kenworth W1350 Motorhome, a rolling mansion that's built like a semi-truck, but lives like a five-star hotel. Just look at this thing. The first impression? Absolute power. It sits tall, wide, and proud, with a bold chrome grille, signature LED lighting, and that unmistakable Kenworth presence. The W1350 isn't just designed to turn heads, it's built to dominate highways. Slide-outs expand the living area, the side compartments offer massive storage, and yes, you've even got an outdoor entertainment station. Picture this. You're parked in the mountains, grilling under the awning, watching your favorite movie outside as the sun sets. That's the lifestyle this beast offers. Now step inside. And this is where it really gets unreal. You're not walking into a camper. You're entering a luxury suite on wheels. The interior is a blend of high-end materials, sleek design, and tech integration. We're talking handcrafted wood cabinetry, genuine leather furniture, soft, LED ambient lighting, and a layout that maximizes both comfort and class. The living room features a plush recliner sofa, a 4K UHD smart TV, and a fireplace. Not just for show, it actually keeps things cozy on chilly nights. The kitchen setup rivals most condos. Full-size residential refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven-microwave combo, solid surface countertops, and yes, a built-in dishwasher. You've got deep drawers, pantry storage, and everything you'd need to whip up meals like you're at home. This isn't camping. This is glamping taken to the next level. The bathroom is just as premium. A walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head, glass door, tile backsplash, porcelain toilet, and a modern vanity with storage. It's all high-end, all the way. Then there's the bedroom. A king-size bed with memory foam mattress, reading lights, wardrobes with cedar lining, underbed storage, and another smart TV mounted in front. Some luxury homes don't come with this much comfort, but luxury aside, let's not forget what makes this Kenworth performance. The W1350 is powered by a Packer MX-13 engine, delivering a massive 510 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. This motorhome doesn't just cruise, it conquers. Mountains, highways, long-haul routes. Nothing phases it. The air suspension smooths out rough roads, and Kenworth's advanced steering system gives you control and stability, even with a rig this size. Tech-wise, it's loaded. A digital cockpit with smart gauges, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and a huge 15-inch infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Add in the rooftop solar array, lithium battery bank, a heavy-duty generator, and this riggy is built for true off-grid adventures. Wi-Fi, satellite TV, climate control zones, you name it, it's got it. Now, let's break it down. The pros? First, unmatched luxury and livability. Second, massive power and capability. Third, off-grid ready with modern tech and renewable energy support. It's the kind of setup that makes full-time road life not just possible, but desirable. On the flip side, there are some things to consider. The size. This is a huge rig, so not every campground will accommodate it. The fuel economy. Let's just say you'll get to your destination in comfort, but not cheaply. And then there's the price. The base model starts at around $475,000, and fully loaded, you could be looking at well over $600,000. But for those who want the absolute best in mobile living, it's worth every penny. So, what's the final verdict from Honest Auto Wheels? The 2025 Kenworth W 1350 Motorhome is a king among RVs. It blends the toughness of a long-haul truck with the comfort of a luxury condo. And it's made for those who don't just travel. They travel in style. Whether you're chasing sunsets across the desert or pulling into a lakeside retreat, this machine makes every mile unforgettable. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Kenworth W 1350, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels for more no-nonsense reviews, and let us know in the comments. If money wasn't an issue, would this be your dream motorhome? Until next time, stay curious, stay rolling, and stay tuned to Honest Auto Wheels, where every ride has a story.